As a business owner, do you know those tasks that need to be done, but no one wants to do them? Things like scheduling, expense reporting, accounts payable, and inventory management. Did you know that AI can help you take care of them? Probably in half the time or more, without the eye rolls and the 4-letter F words. My name is Carl Ye, and I'm the Chief AI Officer with 0to60.ai. My goal is to help you get the benefits of artificial intelligence for your business through strategy, education, and implementation. These back office operations like payroll, scheduling, inventory are necessary, but definitely time consuming and prone to human error. In industries like manufacturing, logistics, retail, construction, small mistakes can lead to big problems, from delays to lost revenue. But AI-powered automation can reduce time and increase accuracy. Here's some examples and what they kind of look like in action. So for example, invoicing and accounts receivable. AI tools send invoices the second an order is complete and follow up automatically if payments are late. Some can even predict cash flow trends by analyzing payment patterns. How about employee scheduling? AI can build schedules by analyzing availability and workloads. It can forecast staffing needs based on past trends. Then there's expense reporting and reimbursements. Once an employee snaps a photo of the receipt, AI can take care of categorizing and submitting the report for review. It can even flag suspicious expenses for fraud. That's not all. How about more complex back office tasks? Let's talk about inventory management and procurement. AI can track stock levels, automatically reorder supplies, and even prevent overstock or shortages. Then there's compliance auditing and reporting. AI can monitor transactions and generate reports without doing any manual work. Finally, vendor management and contract renewals. AI tracks vendor performance, monitors contract renewal dates, and even suggests when to renegotiate terms. Here's some benefits of automating these type of back office tasks. First, and the biggest one, is time savings. AI can do things in minutes that would have taken hours. Number 2, fewer errors. Now it really depends on the task. AI could catch mistakes humans might miss, especially in payroll and invoicing, but it's really important that a human still has to review the final output. Number 3, cost efficiency. You can definitely boost productivity by decreasing all that mundane, repetitive, and boring work. And finally, happier employees. If you automate those boring, mundane tasks, then employees can get on to what they really enjoy about their job. Here's a few tips if you're ready to bring AI into your business. First, identify the tasks that I mentioned or ones that are really causing problems for your company. Number 2, create a small pilot. Identify some simple tools, could be as simple as ChatGPT, to help you improve those processes anywhere between 10 to 40%. You're not looking to automate everything 100%, but usually the sweet spot is anywhere between 10 to 40 because that's where AI is today, where it can reliably help you improve efficiency. Automate one process like payroll or scheduling and then build from there. And really the ROI speaks for itself. If one task you can save someone, say, 3 to 7 hours a month. Now stack 2 or 3 of those. Now you're up to 15 to 30 hours a month, which then turns into, let's say, hundreds of hours every quarter. Now think of what your employees and what your team could do with that saved 100, 200, 300 hours per quarter or per year. Remember that some of these pilots will work better than others, but those that do, you can scale across your entire organization. So which back office operations and tasks would you automate first?